Hello dear friends and welcome to Fontana. Today I'm showing you how to knead pizza dough by hand. Then we are going to cook it in the Fontana Mangiafuoco wood oven. Let's start with the ingredients. 650 grams of water, 1 kilo of flour, 50 grams of yeast, 25 grams of salt, 20 grams of oil. We start mixing right away. Carefully dissolve the yeast in the water. Now we start adding the flour right away, gently. And we continue to knead. We always hold back some flour. Now we mix everything together. When the yeast has fully dissolved in the flour and water, we add the salt. Resume your kneading again, so that the salt never comes into contact with the yeast. Add a little more flour. Mix in all the remaining flour. Finally, we add the oil last so it will keep the mixture together. Add some flavor to it and remove excess flour. Once it's well mixed in the bowl, let's knead it. On the top, work.
Così.
We knead it for about 15 minutes. When it's well mixed, put it back into the bowl and leave it to rest for about 24 hours, okay? Leave it to rest for about 24 hours in the refrigerator. Now, I will show you what the balls look like after 24 hours. Continue kneading. When all the flour on the counter has been mixed in, shape what we call a loaf. Leave it on the side for 20 minutes. Don't forget to cover it. Then divide into balls and leave them to rest in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Let's cut it now. We close the balls underneath in this way. I close them with this rotative movement, which is very important. Once you have closed the balls, leave them in the refrigerator, well covered, for about 24 hours. Now I will show you what the dough looks like after 24 hours. Here we go. After 24 hours, the dough should look more or less like this. This size. Add a little bit of flour. Now roll it out. Shape a little bit of an edge for the pizza. Add tomato sauce. A nice basil leaf. your pizza is ready.